Hi students, today's video will highlight the gut microbiota, which was a concept covered in Chapter 4 of your textbook. The collection of bacteria that colonizes the GI tract is termed the gut microbiota. Intestinal bacteria plays crucial roles, including nutrient metabolism, drug metabolism, maintenance of the structural integrity of the gut mucosal barrier, maintenance of the immune system, protection against pathogens, digestion and metabolism of carbohydrates, and synthesis of vitamins. The microbiome refers to the genome of all of our microbes living on or in the human body. The microbiome plays an important role in modulating risk of several chronic diseases, including inflammatory bowel disease, obesity, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and cancer. Diet plays a significant role in shaping the microbiome, with experiments showing that dietary alterations can induce large, temporary microbial shifts within 24 hours. More plant-based diets have shown greater diversity in colonization of the gut microbiota. Other environmental factors that can shape the microbiota include surgery, smoking, depression, and geographic location. This brings us to dysbiosis, which is disruption of the normal balance of beneficial and pathogenic bacteria. Dysbiosis has been associated with the pathogenesis of many inflammatory diseases like IBD, infections, and chronic diseases like diabetes and cardiovascular disease. These are the references for today's video.